I'm Colin Receiver. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. Now, it's not an exaggeration to say that a dental practice's future depends on the quantity and the quality of its new patient stream. And realistically, a practice needs both kinds of patients. A certain number of short-term patients and a good number of long-term patients who represent that much higher lifetime value. Now, the vast majority of dentists promote their practices by advertising lowest price, specials, insurance acceptance. Now, sure, there's information on their websites about the services and comfort features that they offer, but that's mostly background information. The main thrust of the major marketing expense goes towards advertising to bring in new patients right now, or at least soon. Now, it's an approach that works fairly well, except when it doesn't. And that's the way most successful dental practices operate. Their success level, their success ceiling, depends on market demographics and the level of competition that they face. So there are variables that are pretty much out of their control. But what about the really successful practices? I'm talking about practices that are on a strong growth trajectory up. Practices whose bottom lines are consistently better month over month over month. Practices whose new patient stream is constantly improving in terms of both quality and quantity. Those practices are doing something very different. They've decided to take a different approach to getting new patients. Rather than focusing on price and insurance, they've chosen to become the only logical choice for dental prospects. Dr. Katie Post in Rochester, Minnesota is one such dentist. Quote, "Since 2002 to 2008, my practice was slowly growing. Unfortunately, when you looked at total collections for the practice, it had been at 2.1 million, and when I came, and it had slowly dropped every year. The year I actually bought in, I was at 1.8 million. SmartBox has been instrumental in the growth of our practice from 250 to 300 to 350 new patients a month. Contributing ideas on marketing techniques, helping us evaluate the effectiveness of where we're spending our money and how I should effectively spend to make it the most effective," end quote. Now, Dr. Post brings up a nice point. You can throw a lot of money away on multi-channel marketing that simply doesn't work. Research shows that dental patients are very bad at recalling which advertisement motivated them to pick up the phone. Now, you might have 4 or 5 marketing channels working, but only 2 or 3 might be returning enough new patients to validate that investment. Practically no dental practices can afford to waste marketing dollars. So if you're not tracking your marketing to determine which channel is giving you that highest return, you're just shooting yourself in the leg. We provide our phone tracking to all of our dentists like Dr. Post, and our team of call quality analysts listens to every recorded phone call every month so that we know which channels are producing and which isn't. We advise our dentists when there's a problem with their front office's phone technique that's costing them new patients, and it's all part of our industry-leading patient attraction system that's helping 550 dentists around the world to get more and better patients. If you want to discover what one of these systems can do for your practice, check out our website, click Get Started. Set up a no-obligation phone call. We'll chat for 15 or 20 minutes about your goals and where you want to take the practice, and then we'll develop a strategic plan to fit your needs. We'll show you how SmartBox can provide a steady stream of new patients so you can focus on doing the dentistry. Take your practice's future into your own hands by partnering with SmartBox while you keep doing the dentistry. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.